I've traveled around Bali for 7 months, and these are some of my favorite places. And most people don't even go here. My name is Adam and I like to travel and make videos. My girlfriend Sally and I, we spent 7 months living in Bali as digital nomads while traveling around the island. A lot. Favorite place number 1 is ULUWATU. Okay, we'll start off a bit slow as ULUWATU is getting more and more busy and more popular with tourists. But it is just such a nice area. It's pretty close to all the more known, famous touristy places, so it's really easy to get to. And it's quite developed as well. There are some amazing hotels. But for me, the reasons I really like it is kind of the whole vibe the area has. There's a lot of great places for surfers, so it just has this laid-back surfer vibe. And this is also the area where you'll find the best beaches in Bali. And some of those amazing beaches are Green Bowl Beach, Balangan Beach, Nunggalan Beach, Thomas Beach. And there are a lot more. These are just some of my favorite ones. Favorite place number 2, Sidemen. This area just feels like Bali to me. The landscape is insanely beautiful. The villages are fantastic and people are so nice here. And there are barely any tourists at all. The best thing we did here was just to ride around on our scooter, just enjoying the views and soaking it all in. We did stay at 2 different really nice hotels here in Sidemen. One of them is Wapa di Ume Sidemen, and the other one is called Patal Kikian Villas. Favorite place number 3, Amit. This is East Bali and I love this place. Somehow it's always sunny here and there is the most beautiful view of the volcano Mount Agung in the background. There is a little tourism here, but it's mainly people who dive because the waters here are amazing and perfect for diving and freediving. So if you're into that, you will love Amit even more. And our favorite thing here in Amit was to go freediving at this wreck here. Another reason to love Amit is that it's really easy to get from here to favorite place number 4, the GILI Islands. Okay, this is not Bali and quite a lot of people do go here, but the GILI Islands are probably our favorite part of our whole time we've stayed in Bali and Indonesia in general. The GILI Islands are 3 small islands off the coast of Lombok, but if you're staying in Amit, it's just a short ferry ride away. We kept coming back here. There's just this amazing island vibe to it. There's no motorized vehicles. You just walk or bike around in the sand and you can literally walk off the beach and go swimming with turtles. Alright, we'll take the ferry back to Amit again because from here we'll get to favorite place number 5. This is not so much a single place, more a series of places or even a route. So what we did, and this was one of our favorite experiences in Bali, was that we ditched our big luggage, took what we needed on our bags, got on our scooter and went on a 10-day road trip around Bali. And this particular stretch was our favorite part of that trip. So from Amit heading north, just driving on this road, there's almost no other tourists around. The landscape is amazing, and in particular reaching Savannah Tianyar. It's almost like a proper savanna with Mount Agung, the volcano, beautifully in the background. And we had this whole area all to ourselves. As I mentioned earlier, my girlfriend Sally and I lived in Bali as digital nomads and also other places around the world, but we don't do that anymore. And if you're kind of interested why we would ditch that awesome lifestyle, then you can check out this video right here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.